auto policy of the organization or your company is going to provide the primary physical damage to it, so that's going to be the place where the damage to the vehicle is covered. And the liability coverage for the business auto policy is also going to apply in addition to what the employee's own personal auto policy. There's going to be like basically a sharing on the liability with regards to the employee's policy and the business auto policy. And so that's for the business use. We're trying, with this endorsement, we're trying to shift the exposure that would naturally, without that endorsement, go to the personal auto policy. By attaching this endorsement to the business policy, it takes this rental in the employee's name and takes the business use of it and covers it under the business policy. The personal use, however, since it's a rental in the individual employee's name, follows what Beth just described. Because it's a rental in the individual's name, it will follow back to the employee's own personal auto policy, and that's where they would have coverage for that with regards to the damage to it or the liability for it. Again, like we've been mentioning a couple times, these diminished value claims for the actual damage to the vehicle, not going to be covered by a personal auto policy, not going to be covered by a business auto policy. The only solution to that is to buy the loss damage waiver from the rental car companies. And so those are kind of our four options that you have there with regards to if you don't buy the insurance. The question we get asked all the time is, so which is the right thing? And our answer is, well, it depends on what you want to do. There's not a real set way to do it. There's not a universal answer. There's not a right way. It really depends on a lot on your risk management philosophy on how you want to approach it. What we see happens probably the most common way is this option 4, where the business use under the business policy and the personal use under the employee's